Okay, we're gonna play find the letter that makes the sound with our chips. Okay, so Mrs. Rogers is gonna give you a sound, and you're gonna find that letter on here and put a chip on it. We're gonna try to fill the whole card up. Okay, you ready? Okay. Can you find the letter that makes what letter makes the sound? The Z makes the sound, but there's another letter that makes the sound. Because this says k, k, it's two. Can you find the one that makes the You're really close. You got it? There you go. Can you find the letter that makes the w, w, w? And what's that letter? What's that letter right there? Do you remember? What's the name of that letter? W. You know that letter. You're being shy. W. Can you find the letter that makes the j, j, j? Oh, yes, that says j, but it says g. Can you find the other letter that makes the j, j? It's in this row right here. What's that letter? J. Good job. Can you find the letter that makes the b, b, b? B, b, b. What's that letter? B. Can you find the letter that makes the d, d, d? What's that letter? D. Can you find the letter that makes the What's the name of that one? Do you remember the name of the letter? H. Can you find the letter that makes the t, t, t? T, t, t. What's it called? T. Can you find the letter that makes the Ooh, you got that this time. That was a tough one for you. Do you remember the name of that one? Can you find the letter that makes the Truman? Truman, no thank you. Go make a choice. Truman, go make a choice. Can you find the letter that makes the p, p, p? Yeah. What's that letter? P. Can you find the letter that makes the k, k, k? Can you find the letter that makes the a? Good job. What is it? Can you find the letter that makes the k, k, k? The other one? There's another one that makes k, k, k. See it? It's in this row right here. It says k. What's that letter? C says k. How about qua, qua, qua? Qua, qua. Yup. You remember the name of that letter? Q. What about ya, ya, ya? You got it. Do you remember the name of that letter? Y. Y says ya, ya, ya. Can you find the letter that makes the a? She has a lot of them already. get the Which way? Where did you put it? Okay, so igloo. Does that match? Does that match? No. Let's look again. Can you find the one that makes the sound? It's in this row right here. There you go. Octopus. Does that match? And that's what's that letter? O. Can you find the letter that makes the What makes the Good job. Elephant. Does that match? Yep. And what's that letter? E. Can you find the letter that makes the like mouse? What's that letter? And can you find the letter that makes the v?
I want you to do 2 more letters for me, Ian.
Xylophone. Does that match the v?
Think about it.
Let's try again.
You want somebody to put that to
It's
you?
in this row. The vacuum. Does that match? What's that letter? V says Can you find the letter that makes the igloo? Good job. And what's the name of that letter? I. Can you find the letter that makes the G? And what's that letter? G. Can you find the letter that makes the L? What's the name of that letter? L. Good job. Can you find the letter that makes the F? What's the name of that letter? F. F says. Can you find the letter that makes the X? Good job. What's that letter? X. We got 2 more. Can you find the letter that makes the Z? What's the name of that letter? Truman? Do you have a choice? Okay. Boys, if you're done with that, you need to clean it up and make a different choice. Okay, we're not going to run around. Okay, Mila, can you find the letter that makes the What's that letter? Remember the name of that letter? And good job. Okay, you can head back.